Yeah, they are really beautiful, you know. And so are you, Mama. Yeah, and they will grow up to be as wonderful as you are. Yeah. That's a strange sound you got there, Mom. It's not often that we hear. Yeah, hello, kiddos. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at the one. It is one of them, two of them that have a little bit more light feathers, and they're looking a little bit more like they are more curious than the others. Struggling down there. Yeah. Daddy Y895 is at least 5 years old, and I think his partner is about the same age. They have at least been around in this water for that period of time that I have seen, so they are probably older.